There it is. Package from Banggood. My first soldering iron on the messy workbench. I got to put this bad boy in. And just got done fixing my little buddy's Larva X. Love it. If you buy this, that's the best thing on the market for entry-level FPV, my opinion. So, let's get this bad boy open. And my knife is in the house, of course. Sure, we got all kinds of stuff. Open up with Banggood. Let's see. This receipt sounds like it's broke. It's a soldering iron. I don't think it should be broke. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, check it out. This is awesome. Heck yeah, man. 2 weeks. I ordered this thing like 2 weeks ago. These guys is almost as fast as Amazon, to be honest with you. This is awesome. Soldering gun, and it has a hot air gun attached to it for 30 bucks. JCD warranty card. Check this out. It's got the soldering iron. Oh, don't lose my stuff. So the plug in, soldering iron that goes to the machine. Little machine. Haha, that is so cool. Heck yeah, that is cool. Oh wow. Yeah, let's plug it up and see what it looks like. Make sure it gets hot. Check it out. It's awesome. Never owned a cool soldering iron like this. I'm used to the Walmart special and that one I ordered off of Race Day Quads. Hey guys, it works. It ain't the best, but this bad boy works. I've built 3, 4, 5 quads with it already. So, with this one here is really, really cool. Wow, it's even magnetized or something? No? Oh no, it just hangs on the wall. That's neat too, I guess. But anyway, let's see if it works. Plugged in. Power. Power. Fan. Feels really cool. What is it? Oh wow, check that out. That's awesome. That is the, let's turn it off and hook everything up to it. This is the hot air gun that come with it. For $30, man, you can't beat this, man. I couldn't touch it in the US for under like 150, I think. I don't know, let's just see if it works, right? Oh yeah, so this one plugs in over here. Oh, okay, like this. There's a groove in it. And you screw this little thing down. Man, that's pretty good quality, really. I mean, it kind of feels light and everything's really metal. And that screws on there. So, there it goes. See the light dimming? Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that bad boy is 100 degrees. Oh, wow, it's going up, people. I'm going to have to hook it up to a different power source. Let's shut it down. Oh, yeah, that is cool. That is really awesome. All right, let's put it on its own cord. That way I can actually see what kind of power it's doing. Plug it in right there. Okay. Plug it in over here. And then we can test it with the infrared heat thermometer. Turn it on. Turn it up. See, I don't know how high it goes. Wow. 480 is it, looks like. Well, that ain't very high. I think. Yeah, that ain't very high at all. That thing's getting pretty hot. It's hard to get a reading of it, but you can see it's really hot. So let's just hope it gets hot enough. It's pretty cool though. Let's try the other side. It's got extra tips with it and shit. That one slides over the end of it. It's pretty neat. Couple tapping screws. I don't think you'd want to screw into that though. To be honest with you, I don't know what them tap screws are for. Oh, they're probably for this though, or to mount that back there. So anyway, soldering iron from Banggood. Let's see if it gets hot enough to melt solder. I guess that'd be a good true test there, wouldn't it? See how long it takes it to get hot enough to melt solder. 30 bucks. I just can't believe I paid $30 for this. Just hope it works better than the other one. That's all I'm saying. And that thing started getting hot instantly. No, probably didn't, but we'll see. So this one goes up to 500. Well, that ain't very good. I think, anyway. Boy, it gets hot pretty damn quick, though. See how quick it'll melt solder. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Hell yeah. That bad boy ain't messing around, and that's a thick piece of solder, too. Okay, so I think we got a home run anyway. Just wish it had a bigger soldering tip. A wide soldering tip. Change it real quick. Yep, that is pretty awesome. All right, Ricky Bobby, over and out.